Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're exhausted from pushing around heavy vacuums, if pet hair, crumbs and sticky spills keep winning the battle on your floors, or if you want powerful cordless vacuuming and mopping that actually gets everything clean without cords tripping you up or constant refills, then this review is going to make your week easier. Today we're reviewing the Roborock F25 GT Vacuum Mop All-in-One. This cordless beast combines strong suction, real scrubbing mopping, self-cleaning features, and long runtime in one lightweight package that makes cleaning feel almost fun. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is one of the best cordless vacuum mop combos you can get right now. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let's break down the features of the Roborock F25 GT. It's a cordless stick vacuum and mop with powerful suction that picks up pet hair, dust, crumbs, and larger debris on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The dual spinning mop pads actively scrub hard floors to remove stubborn stains and sticky messes. The self-cleaning station washes and dries the mop pads automatically, so you don't have to deal with dirty pads or smells. It has a large clean water tank and dirty water tank, meaning you can clean bigger areas without constant refilling or emptying. The battery gives long runtime for most homes on a single charge, and it stands upright for easy storage. The LED display shows battery level, mode, and cleaning status. You can switch between vacuum only, mop only, or vacuum and mop modes, and it has adjustable suction levels plus a turbo mode for tough spots. Setup is simple. Charge it, fill the clean water tank, attach the mop pads if needed, and start cleaning. No complicated assembly required. Real-world performance is where this vacuum mop really shines. It glides smoothly on hard floors and carpets, the spinning mops leave floors noticeably cleaner and less streaky than basic mops, and it picks up pet hair without clogging. The self-cleaning station is a game changer. Mop pads come out fresh and dry, no hand washing needed. Edge cleaning is excellent thanks to the side mop reach, and the cordless design means no more tangling or limited range. It's lightweight enough to carry upstairs or maneuver around furniture without feeling heavy. Whether you have tile, hardwood, vinyl, or low-pile carpet, it adapts well and leaves floors looking fresh with very little effort. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are strong. Powerful suction handles pet hair and debris well. Dual spinning mops provide real scrubbing action. Self-cleaning station saves tons of time and keeps things hygienic. Long battery life covers most homes. Lightweight and cordless for easy maneuvering. Great edge cleaning and outstanding value for a premium cordless vacuum mop combo. Reviewers say it cuts cleaning time in half and floors look better than ever. On the con side, the clean and dirty water tanks need refilling and emptying after larger areas. It's not as strong on very thick carpets as upright vacuums. The self-cleaning station takes up some floor space, and initial setup of the station takes a few minutes. These are typical for cordless vacuum mops, and the pros far outweigh them for most households. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely. Pick up the Roborock F25 GT Vacuum Mop All-in-One if you want powerful cordless vacuuming, effective mopping, self-cleaning convenience, and great performance in a lightweight package. It's fantastic for pet parents, busy families, apartments, or anyone who wants cleaner floors with less effort and no cords. If these honest vacuum and smart home reviews are helping you keep a cleaner space with less work, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this convinced you to try a better vacuum mop, give it a like, share with a friend who hates cleaning, or subscribe for more. See you next time.